Hey there guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning in to the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we just have a little bit of an updated video. So a few days ago I posted a video on how to charge your Juul using a Android charger. Basically we cut the connector off and did some wire stripping, and that's how we made it work. Today I've got a little bit of an updated video to show you guys how to make it a little bit more of a better solution, just so you don't have to stick the wires on there individually each time. So as you can see, here we have a little bit of a homemade DIY magnetic charger, just like so. And I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do this. It's very simple. So just like the last video, we have the main insulation off of the wire, and then we also have the two individual wires stripped at the top there. And for this time you only want a very little bit of the wires out, the actual out of the insulation right there. And then what we're going to do is you're going to take a little key ring from keys, and you're just going to open that baby up like you're putting a key on there, and you're going to slide these wires in between the metal of the key ring. And since the way this works, since the bottom of this is magnetic, it'll go like that and kind of keep your wires in place a little bit better. So we're just going to slide this baby, slide them in there, and you only want them sticking out a little bit, that way the key ring can touch and be magnetic. And you want to slide these in some too so they don't come out of the key ring. There we go. So you're just gonna slide these down, and if you need any help on stripping the wires, just watch the last video I posted. I'll put a link to it down below. But you're just gonna space these out a little bit. And the first time you do it, you might have to do a little tinkering and moving the wires just to get them in the right spot. But after the first time, it should be good. So you only want the very top bit of the wire poking out. Okay, so see, you just basically got to go and line them up to the two bottom pins. And got to move it down a little bit still. The thing is, you don't want the wire, the actual wire, touching the key ring, or else it's not going to work, because it's just going to short out onto itself. Okay. Fix this one a little bit. And voila, we're good to go. And if you just set this down on the table or wherever, you just plug her in, and as you can see, it is charging up. And that's how you guys make a homemade DIY Juul magnetic charger. If this helped you out, please smack that thumbs up button. It helps me out so much. Hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 5,000, and we're going to hit 10,000 by the end of 2019. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you want to see my latest video, you can go ahead and click right there. If you want to see the other video that YouTube recommended for you, click right there. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching again. And as always, I hope you learned something. I will see you next time.